The warrior cut is a trendy, effortlessly cool hairstyle characterized by a low taper fade on the sides and back, paired with textured, piecey layers on top. This style, reminiscent of vintage looks from stars like Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio, is making a comeback. To achieve and maintain this cut, towel dry your hair, apply a strong hold matte pomade while tussling for a messy look, and finish with a texturizing spray. When visiting the salon, request a low taper fade with longer layers cut using the point cutting technique. Regular trims every 3 to 5 weeks, along with using professional shampoo, conditioner, and a bi-weekly hair mask will keep your warrior cut looking sharp. With its relaxed vibe and historical roots, this hairstyle is both stylish and easy to manage, appealing to anyone looking for an uncomplicated yet striking look.